today's episode we are making
Orzo salad.
Perfect. So this is something that is very simple to make, can be made all year round, but this is something that people make a lot more in spring and summer. It could accompany any type of dish, barbecues or whatnot. So to start it off, what you want to do is you want to cook your pasta. So how do we cook this?
I cooked it in salted water for about 10 minutes or so. Once it was cooked, we drained it and we rinsed it with cold water. Rinsing it with cold water stops the cooking. And then we drizzled olive oil and gave it a couple of tosses. By drizzling the olive oil, it avoids the pasta from sticking together, and the pasta has to be completely cooled before assembling.
Perfect. And then honestly, you can add anything that you want to this as part of choice of vegetables or whatnot. So on today's episode, we chose some diced red onions, some chickpeas, a medley of Italian marinated olives. We have some cucumbers, some diced cherry tomatoes. We have some diced bocconcini, which are cocktail cheese balls. And then we have some parsley as seasoning. And also we took out of the freezer a cube of pesto that we make homemade that I'll link up here on the channel that you can see. And we just let it get to room temperature because this is also gonna season the orzo pasta with flavoring. And as additional for the dressing, it's gonna be squeezing a little bit of lemon juice over, an extra bit of drizzle of olive oil, and some lemon zest, and that'll just brighten up all the flavors. And then obviously salt and pepper to taste.
There you go. We're gonna start the assembly now.
All right.
If we need to add some more, we'll add some more. Okay.
There it is, very simple to make. The longest thing we had to cook was the pasta. Aside from that, you're just chopping and adding your choice of medley of vegetables. This looks eye-catching, smells delicious, and as my mother would say, it's very
refreshing. It's a beautiful summer dish.
We hope you guys enjoyed and give it a try, and until next time, continue to
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye. And it has to be fully cooked before we start assembling.
Does it fully cooked before we start? We're almost there. Okay, one more time. I think we'll get it. It's okay. I hope it's really cooked before some. We've been enough to the fucking dentist. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do this again.
Okay. Okay. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are making
Orzo salad. I can't stop laughing now.
we're making.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm getting tired now.
Going through
Nice
it.
and refreshed. Okay.
Oh my god. I wanted to say you're going through. What do kids go through when their voice changes?
Puberty.